decided to do kind of like a once a month vlog, just the things that I'm doing related to kind of kickstarting my small art business, because I'm doing pottery as well as some digital art with stationery and stuff like that. So I'm going to show some more clips and things that I have been doing. And some of it is the stuff that I go to the Pottery Center. And when I work in the studio at the Pottery Center, I don't bring my cameras or anything because I'm too shy. I don't want to disturb anyone else and try to set up and bring a tripod and stuff. So I really just want to go there and focus on just practicing and growing my skills. But something exciting! I was able to get most of my pieces from the final firing of the pieces I made during my intensive week. First, no, is it the second week of July? The second week of July. It's like August 10th right now. So basically, almost a month ago. That's kind of a long process. I don't know if that's the usual, but it's a public kiln. There's a lot of artists who go there for just a studio purpose, and then all the students. I think they have a minimum of like 100 pieces per member, so it can be quite a lot. It is what it is from working in a shared, communal work center, or ceramic center. Yeah. Anyway, so I guess that's the long process. I mean, I find my pieces are all firing now. The new pieces that I have been slowly making in the last couple of weeks, I've been going to the pottery studio twice a week. My goal is to go Friday mornings, and I spend most of the day there. And then Tuesday in the evenings, I'll spend a couple hours just to be able to do the things I wasn't able to do when I was there on Friday. So it's kind of like going to have that flow of like throwing, and then what I threw before I can trim. And if it got misfire, I can glaze. I don't know how quickly that will go, and they don't seem to be having any courses ongoing right now. Actually, this is very exciting, is that the schedule of signups are on August 19th at 12 noon. So I have to be there like right on the dot and subscribe or enroll, because last time I missed out. So please put your thoughts in the universe that I can get in and do throwing two, I think. And I either throwing two or hand building one. Which one I can get. I am like, those are my two options I want to get into. So let's get into showing off these pieces. One of the last pieces I threw, my logo didn't really show up very much, but I was going with the goal of making this for lighting matches. Like, I've seen on Instagram stuff, videos of like creating this line design in grooves. Probably didn't have the right glaze. It has to be a rougher glaze in it. I don't know. The matches weren't going. But so now this is just going to hold the matches for in the bathroom. I don't know if other people use it, but matches are great for getting rid of that poo-poo smell. So this is the goal of this. And I thought I just really love this color on this type of clay. The speckles, I want to do more with this if they have this mixture, because they change their glazes at the Pottery Studio. So it's, I hope they keep it so I can do a few more. Like if I could do a set or something, that would be amazing. But it's a little wonky and functional for what I was making it. It's still functional in some pieces. Then I have this little pot. I love how this one turned out. I used a mix of colored slip, and the colors really changed. There was this green color here. I had a mint and a bluish turquoise, and then this purple. And then I went through and did some scratch marks so that the clay showed through. I left it raw initially because I really wanted to see the colors and see what that changed to. I might have done a gloss, but it's fine. And then the inside is all black as well as the base. So this Allison has requested to have, so I'm going to give that to her. But I just thought I love this shape of a vase, and I wish I could. I want to make a bigger version of it. So, yeah, that one. And then this is one of my first bowls that I did. I was really going for that, like a good soup bowl. It's not deep enough, probably, but it was the shape I was going for. And then I had fun with the colors. I love experimenting with glazes. And it didn't turn out exactly because I should have layered the purple. This was like a purple lilac glaze, and then there's this turquoise Simon's green. I forget the names of it, but again, they make their own mixture. So I really love this color. This is really beautiful. I don't think I put it thick enough on because I can see where the clay kind of comes through, but I don't mind it. Here though, I should have cleaned it up because this is where it drizzled a lot and it didn't. It's like matte for some reason. I don't know why. I'd have to ask. And yeah, but I think it's kind of cool. It did do some interesting mixes here, by adding this other color on the top. So yeah, I didn't get my small bowl where I did the colors in reverse. That one, I couldn't find it. It's really, sometimes you're like treasure hunting your items. This one was really fun. I really love the bottom of the bowl. I should have done it thicker with the blue because if you could see, this blue did this nice bubbling. Here where I didn't do it thick enough, it more turned in this like weird gray color, but it's still really pretty. I really like that design. So I have the plate in a similar shape of the bowl. So I'm going to do it as a set and do this like blue design. Hopefully they have enough of the glaze left over because there wasn't much left of this mustard yellow. And I really like the yellow is really pretty. Those are the pieces that currently I've got back finally. To see a finished product like after a month, it's a long time. But yeah, so that's it for my show and tell. I put these bowls back. I have to wash them. I can't wait to gradually see as I increase my skills, like going back to these and be like, oh yeah, I know what I did wrong. Next up on the docket is I want to continue doing this home office update. I went to IKEA yesterday, got a bookshelf that I built and a light that I built as well. And I have fun with just like getting high and trying to complete these builds. Makes it a little funner, a little marijuana friend. Makes things a little funner to get through. I may or may not for the shelf. I think I need my concentration for that. But I'm gonna do that. And then I bought these 3 panels for corkboard, and I'm gonna put them up on my wall here in the back of my desk setup because I worked on it last week and I showed a clip. I'm going to show you clips of the working on my goal setting and milestone setting and just like getting myself organized, finding tools online for like, I really like the planning board, having one on my computer, but having one just like I could see it all the time without opening up my computer, I think will be really great at keeping me motivated and productive because there are times where it just circulates in my brain and it was just overwhelming. I can't focus. I can't figure out what I want to start with. So yeah, this is just to get me back on track and really move forward with like small, getting my small art business up and running. I have one last administrative part that I need to do, which is open a business account, which I'm underway. Like I spoke to a lawyer this week about how to start up a business. And so I have a few things done and I have a couple more things I need to accomplish before I can launch my Etsy shop. But I'm making my progression on as quickly as I want to get it done. And yeah, that's basically it. So, continue on with my home office makeover, making space, getting organized. I'm gonna go build my bookshelf. My shelving unit. I'm gonna go build my IKEA shelving unit, which I don't know if you're a fan of building furniture, but basically to me, it's like IKEA is Lego for adults. Adult version Legos. I mean, Legos for everyone, but functional Lego. That's how I think about it. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube and do all that. Maybe I'll watch some Friends. I've been on a kick of watching Friends, so I will get that started. Sorry, Gretchen. Okay, so I have it built up, and the next step is to move some stuff. Because right now, this is the office situation. I have my desk here, and basically I want to put the shelf over on this side, and now I gotta move this stuff. I think I'm gonna put, like, this is gonna be our music corner, so I'm gonna put the piano and stuff over there. And then I have, like, the day bed, so I can hang out and watch videos from here until I get a TV to go here on, like, over top. Get, like, a TV stand that goes over top of the keyboard or piano. So that is current setup. And what I have to do is move some stuff, but I'm kind of tired from building that. So I think I'm going to take a break for the next couple hours and wrap it up after. Maybe I might move some stuff and just put it in place. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I put and I did have enough space to keep my little filing cabinet drawer system. I've got my printer. This is the Epson 2850 that I have. I had to put it this way so I have access to at least the paper to go there. And then when I want to scan, I have access to just lift in through here. And then the tray will be like, I popped it here. And then I have my silhouette. And then these trays, these little baskets don't fit exactly right. Like a little bit too large, which is unfortunate. So I may or may not keep them there. And yeah, and then this top shelf will be for Allison. She has like school books and stuff. So I wanted to make a space that she can just put them and not have it stored just in the room and bedroom somewhere. So that's kind of what the office situation looks like. And then the music corner looks great. Now the piano's out. I have my access to my violin. And there's less of guitar needs to be hung up, but yeah. For now, this is what the home office situation is going to stick with. All right, that is the end of this vlog update. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, I still have some stuff I need to progress on for my office kind of update. And I still have a few more kiln reveals from the communal pottery. Communal. The community studio. So I can't wait to get some of the pieces back. But I did get to sign up for the class for throwing two. And I actually am going to sign up for hand building one, which is Monday night. So I'll have like Monday and Tuesday I will have designated for pottery. And I'm in the process of changing my work schedule so that I have always Fridays off and that I can go to the studio with the free time that will be included. And so I'm really happy that I'm advancing and be able to learn more about pottery. So exciting news to end off this vlog. I'm sure I appreciate you taking time to check it out. And I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. I take my whiskey neat. Wait, what? The repetitive song I've had in my head. This is what my vocal stimming does, is I have a repeat song. And it's Too Sweet by Hosier. I take my whiskey neat. My coffee black and my bed at 3. I'm too sweet. Nope, that's not it. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. Repeat. Just repeat. I think Allison's getting tired of hearing it.